Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be learning how to make Ankara Bonnet's line blue satin. And my instructor here is Miss Benita, owner of Fabian and Mom, which is located in Miami Garden, Florida. She sells African fabric, jewelry, clothing, everything you can think of, so check her out. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this video and show you the supplies you'll be needing. Alright, so these are the supplies you'll need. First, you're gonna choose your fabric. This is the fabric that I've chosen. It's beautiful and pink. This is the fabric that I purchased from Fabian and Mom, one of her prints. Beautiful, love it. And you're gonna need your lining. So this is a satin fabric here. You're gonna need a measuring tape, a safety pin, and your elastic. We're also gonna be making the matching face mask for the fabric as well. So I have my pattern here and the elastic for the face mask as well. So let's go ahead and start.
What you want to do, you want to fold the fabric inside out.
Okay. Right side's facing.
Right side facing.
Once more. Okay.
Fold it into 4. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4. And you come to the edge right here.
Okay.
Leave your measuring tape.
Okay.
And you go 9 inches.
9 inches.
Yep. Go 9 inches. And we keep turning and make it 9 inches.
Okay. Ooh.
It has to be equal 9. If you pick 6 inches, it has to be the same thing all around.
So the
the
9 inches, that's like a large size bonnet?
Yeah, that's like a medium size.
Medium size,
Yeah.
okay.
So even when we cut 9 inches, we leave a little bit for seam allowance when we sew.
Okay, also cut above the marking
Yes.
for seam allowance.
So right there. Some people don't use a measuring tape, they just do like this. Can you see?
Oh, okay, you can, and doing that as you go.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So that way if you are left in an island with no measuring tape, you can still sew.
You just cut with confidence.
Open it up.
Ooh. Wow. There you go.
So we want to cut out the lining. We just fold it back up.
And then you're using that as the pattern. So that's simple. So she used the fabric as the pattern and just went ahead and traced or put it on. Well, I guess you could see it.
So basically that's it. Now you're gonna begin sewing.
Yeah.
So when you want to sew, as soon as you open this up, you put this around it.
Okay. And this is the
You stitch
right
all
side.
the way down.
Okay.
Up to, you start from here, stitch all the way down, and make it up here, so we can turn it up.
Okay. So I'm gonna stitch all the way around, and I'm gonna leave an opening this about a couple inches wide. Oh wait. Do I have to? So when you do it, you just go. You don't pin it.
You want to pin it? You can pin it. I can pin it for you.
I'm scared. Well, no. I should try with confidence. Let me see.
I can pin it for you. Bring the pin right there. So you just pin it so it could be sturdy. Since you start from here. There's a level right here. You pull it down. If you don't pull it down, it's not gonna sew. Pull it out.
just go, so how much, like right here?
Yeah.
On the
Make
edge?
sure, yeah, on the edge.
Okay. Like just leave this much?
Like that, yeah.
Okay.
So now you're gonna pull the lava down. And soft round. Awesome. That's good.
I'll move it.
Don't be scared. If you make mistake, you're still doing good. Don't be scared. Just keep going. When you make mistake, you just know how to do it better.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you stop now. And you want to lock the stitches so when I pull the thread, it's not gonna pull, so you're gonna press right here to lock the stitches. And you press your foot. Press the foot. You just lock the stitch.
I did. I'll just press that
Press it and
button.
hold it, and you press your leg the same time. And you just
Oh,
lock the
press
stitch.
it the same time as, oh, I didn't do it.
You can do it.
Okay.
So now you can put the lava up. And you carefully just pull this carefully. And you could either use the blade here or you use your scissors. Make sure you always go back. That's it. Now you can pull it through.
Just use my hands, right?
If you want to iron it, you can iron it.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and iron the top side.
You can iron the edges. So we're gonna go again and sew one more time. So we still have the opening here. We're still gonna start from here. So you're just gonna basically sew all the way. But before you sew, remember how many inches elastic you're using.
Okay. So we have 1 inch elastic. So we need
1 inch of
1 inch
space.
space to put the elastic through.
You can do this all around if you want, or you can just do it from the beginning and eyeball it. So you want me to do it all around for you?
Should I eyeball it? No.
I'm just gonna put this in here like this. You're gonna put it through that opening you had.
So I'm gonna feed this through the opening.
Bring it right out.
How much do I pull it?
Pull all the way so you can get enough. And now you have enough to play with. So you want to try it out? Make sure you always put the two together, guys. They're gonna.
Okay. So I'm gonna try it on. Okay, so the ends are the elastics are pinned together with the safety pin. So now you can go ahead and try on your bonnet and see how it fits and adjust it where need be. I don't want to get makeup on it, so I'm gonna be careful. I think that's good. Yay. Okay. So now I guess you know where to.
Yeah, you know where to stop.
So how do I know? Oh, I just hold it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do is put this together and just sew from here to here.
Okay.
Right here. So go in.
Okay.
And you put the lava down first.
Yes. Okay.
Just keep going.
And then
Press
bring it.
again. Yeah, bring it back again, like twice. Go again one more time. That's fine. Awesome. So now you're gonna raise it up. Then you're gonna cut it. If you have a candle or a lighter, you could burn it if you don't want.
Okay.
Just let it go inside. Now that you have secured it, just gonna hold it in here, and you're gonna close the opening.
Okay.
You make sure you don't sew the elastic, except it's gonna stop.
Bonnet. It feels good. Even like a hat. This is cute. Yay! All right. Now on to the mask.
You wanna put makeup on her?